Welcome to the Trendy Outdoorsman. My wife and I were getting ready to do a travel series to kick off our YouTube channel. Unfortunately, the coronavirus ruined that for us. So instead, I decided to do a series of a YouTube studio where I took a guest bedroom of our house and I created it into a professional YouTube studio. I hope you enjoy this video. There you go.
Perfect.
This is our guest bedroom right now that is being used as kind of like storage of everything we don't know what to do with in the rest of the house. And I take on the challenge to turn this into a YouTube studio. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm going to link below to other videos that are basically going to go into everything that I did in this video, but more in depth of what I did and where I bought it and how I did it. If you do have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. And please subscribe and like the channel. There will be more videos to come. Thanks.